Hi guys, it's Ramon Arciniega, sales professional with Permian Ford. Thank you for browsing our inventory.
We are pleased to show you the 2007 Jeep Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, privacy glass, steel wheels, front on and off-road tires, four-wheel disc brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Thank you for browsing our inventory. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 575-393-6176.